right, guys, we are under the 4Runner again. Got the muffler cut off. There's the tailpipe. So the muffler was split or rusted out on the passenger side. It was blowing against the frame rail, and I'm confident that that's what has rusted this out. This is the only frame rust it has. I know these are bad about rusting, but we're in Tennessee, and we really don't have any rust issues here like this. So anyway, I'll show you the muffler. It's split on that side. So if you've got a split muffler and it's blowing against your frame rail, you know what to expect. So my plan is to plate this, and I'm going to come up to the frame rail itself and just butt that down into this piece here. I don't know exactly what that's called. Control arm mount, I don't know. But I'm going to just butt that together and weld it up, and we'll see how it goes.